Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best denim patches is probably one of the most creative and practical ways to customize your wardrobe. These patches are perfect for adding a unique touch to your jeans, jackets, or bags, and they're also great for covering up any wear and tear. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, iron-on denim patches offer a simple and effective solution for expressing your style. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches, Repair and Decorate Kit. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches. This kit includes 12 patches in shades of blue, perfect for repairing or decorating your denim. They are made with high-quality materials and are easy to apply. Applying these patches is simple. Just use an iron. Preheat it to the maximum setting, place the patch, and iron for about a minute. No sewing or extra glue is needed. The adhesive is very durable. You can apply these patches on the outside or inside of your garments. Cut them to your desired shape or size. When applied from the inside, the shiny side shows through initially, but it will disappear after washing. These patches are machine washable and can be tumble dried on high heat. If a patch starts to peel, simply re-iron it. They can be re-ironed multiple times, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Repair tears in areas like the crotch, knees, and elbows. You can also use them to prevent future damage. These patches can fix more than just jeans. They can be used on sheets, car seats, and more. What we like. This patch boasts the strongest adhesive, ensuring a durable fix. You can apply it inside or outside, making it versatile for any repair. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution that can withstand multiple washes, this is the one for you. What people say. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-Ons were great. Had 4 pairs of denim work jeans, knees were worn out, fixed them, and they're holding up at work so far. Quality of these patches is very good. The color selection will match almost any jeans. It was very easy to put on the jeans and looks very nice. The strong adhesive makes them incredibly secure. Once ironed on properly, they stay put even after multiple washes. The 100% cotton material blends seamlessly with denim and other fabrics, making repairs almost unnoticeable. I love the assorted blue shades, which match different jeans perfectly. Number 4. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches, Repair and Decorating Kit. Are your jeans torn or worn? These patches are the perfect solution. They are designed to repair and decorate your denim. Made with the strongest glue, this ensures a durable fix. The patches are made of 100% cotton, so it is easy to apply. The kit includes assorted shades of blue and black. This allows you to match the patches to your jeans perfectly. Each kit contains 10 pieces, each measuring 4:1:4 by 3:3:4. This provides ample material for multiple repairs or decorations. These patches are suitable for jeans, blankets, and even gloves. It is great for fixing scuffs, tears, and stains on various items. Whether you're working in the garden or at school, these patches are a great way to personalize your items. They are also perfect for your grandchildren. What we like. This patch is designed for versatile applications, perfect for various items. It features the strongest adhesive, ensuring a lasting bond. If you have a wide range of items to repair, from jeans to bags, this patch is your go-to choice. What people say. Worked to patch up my favorite jeans, seam by the back pocket and a funky jacket from early 90s. Make sure iron is hot and do several passovers. Washed jeans and patch is holding strong. Great way to get more wears in you denim or chambray. Easy to use iron-ons. 2-minute repair to the knees on my jeans. I have used to mend various denim jeans requiring renovation and they have stayed secure after washing. Easy to use and stick in seconds using hot steam iron. Good variety of shades. Number 3. King Mountain Denim Iron-On Repair Patch 20 PCS. Do you have jeans or a denim jacket with holes or fraying? This denim patch is the perfect solution. It can also help you to be creative and add fresh designs to your worn clothes. The patch size is 3x4:14 inches, perfect for hiding holes. There are 5 different colors to match your denim. You can also pick the color combination that best suits your fabric. Featuring a strong adhesive, the patch stays firmly bonded after washing and drying. We also provide free sewing kits for a better repair experience. It can repair or decorate your clothes in minutes. Just open the package, stick it on, and iron at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute. It can be used both inside and outside. Every product comes with a worry-free warranty and a money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, please contact us for a full exchange or refund. What we like. This patch offers strong adhesion, ensuring your repairs stay put. It's incredibly easy to apply, saving you time and effort. If you value peace of mind and want a guaranteed solution, this patch is the perfect choice. What people say. The patch sizes are great. The color matching is excellent. Their texture is very similar to the pants I'm using and so far no peeling after repetitive washing. The adhesive activates as described. I used the canvas setting on my Black & Decker iron as the manual indicated that temperature was closest to what was recommended, and the material is a proper canvas, great for work pants. Works great. My denim yard and garden work jeans and shirt will last another season. Number 2. CAREGY Denim Iron-On Patches, Clothing Repair Kit. Introducing the CAREGY Iron-On Patches, the perfect solution for repairing and decorating your clothes. These patches are designed to effortlessly cover holes and add a unique touch to your garments. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone. This kit includes 24 iron-on patches in 4 different shades, ensuring a perfect match for your denim. The patches come in a size of 3 by 4.25 inches, ideal for both small and large repairs. A free sewing kit is also included to ensure a strong bond. Applying these patches is incredibly simple, requiring only an iron. Just preheat the iron, place the patch, and apply pressure for 60 seconds. The hot melt adhesive ensures a durable hold, eliminating the need for sewing or glue. Made from soft polyester material, these patches are designed to last. The strong adhesive withstands multiple washes and dries, keeping the patch firmly in place. You don't have to worry about glue residue or bad smells. These patches are ideal for various garments, including clothes, t-shirts, hats, and more. They can restore worn-out areas and add a unique style to your clothing. Using them can prolong the life of your clothes. What we like. This patch is incredibly easy to apply, saving you time and effort. It features a strong adhesive for a lasting bond. If you're looking for a versatile patch that can be used on various items, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Some little holes popped up in the seam of my uniform shirts, so I cut these patches into smaller squares and ironed them on to reinforce. It worked like a charm, no issues, and easy to use. So far they hold up well in the wash, not sure about dryers. The patch works, all you have to do is iron it on. Its adhesive glue does all the rest. They even provide a needle and thread just in case you need extra support. Helps preserve your clothing, repair ripped, torn clothing. These iron-on patches work perfectly for both repairing and decorating clothes. They adhere well, whether inside or outside the fabric, and stay put through multiple washes. Easy to apply, they can be cut into fun shapes, adding a unique, personal touch to your clothes. Great quality, durable, and beginner-friendly. Number 1. ZEFFFKA Iron-On Denim Patches for Clothing Repair. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Iron-On Patches. This kit makes it easy to fix your clothes. With these patches, you can quickly repair holes or customize your favorite jeans. The package includes 4 rolls of patches, each measuring 4 by 20 inches. You can cut them into any shape you need. It's perfect for all your DIY projects. Applying these patches is super easy. Just use an iron. Preheat your jeans, place the patch, and iron over it. It only takes a few minutes. These patches are made to last. They have extra strong adhesive, so they can withstand many washes. You won't have to worry about them coming off. Made from 100% durable cotton, these patches are high quality. Use them to mend clothes or add unique designs. They are also great for crafts. With 4 different colors, they match almost any jeans. Use them on jeans, trousers, or bags. They are perfect for both repairs and DIY projects. What we like. This patch allows you to cut it to any shape you need, offering ultimate customization. It has strong adhesion, ensuring your repairs last. If you like to personalize your repairs and need a durable solution, this patch is perfect for you. What people say. The patches are easy to apply. They are a great size for covering holes in jeans. The iron-on adhesive is strong and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.